Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is section 6.3 of Mrs. Quinn's geometry, and today we're going to look at types of quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if and only if we have two pairs of parallel sides. And I would recommend going ahead and drawing a picture to match your definition. Notice how I've written my parallel symbols. I have two pairs of parallel sides. Now, a quadrilateral is a rhombus if and only if all four sides are equal. Notice that we're only dealing with quadrilaterals in this section. We're just looking at different types of quadrilaterals. They're all four-sided, and we define them differently. This one has four equal sides. Think about one shape that you're aware of that has four equal sides like a rhombus. All right, a quadrilateral is a rectangle if and only if it has four right angles. Oops. All right, a quadrilateral is a square if and only if it not only has four right angles but has equal side lengths. It has four right angles and four equal side lengths. All right, a kite is a quadrilateral if and only if it has two pairs of consecutive congruent side lengths. Notice how these two side lengths are congruent and consecutive, and these two are congruent and consecutive. So I'm going to say if and only if it has two pairs of consecutive congruent side lengths. Sorry, my mind left me for a second. Consecutive congruent side lengths. All right, a trapezoid. A quadrilateral is a trapezoid if and only if it has one pair of parallel sides. And we have an isosceles trapezoid. A trapezoid is an isosceles trapezoid if and only if, not only it has a pair of parallel sides, but it has one pair of congruent angles. Now notice how these have to be base angles on one of your parallel lengths, either this one or this one. These are our bases right here for a trapezoid, so I either want these two to be congruent or these two to be congruent. And we'll find out later as we're learning more about trapezoids. If we know something about these angles, then we also know something about these. But for now, we're just going to define it as a pair of congruent base angles. All right? For tomorrow, I want you to draw a relationship chart between all the 7 quadrilaterals that we just went over. Put quadrilateral at the top, and then try to draw some hierarchy connecting each of these types of quadrilaterals. And I'll see you tomorrow.